In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Excel for free on your PC, legally and safely. Now, we all know that having access to Excel can be crucial, whether you're working on your personal budget, tracking data, or getting your school projects in order. But what if I told you there are ways to use Excel without having to pay a penny? Let me guide you through 3 different methods to get Excel at no cost. First up, we have Excel Online. This option doesn't require any downloads, and yes, it's 100% free. All you need to do is head over to office.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's free and easy to set up. As soon as you're logged in, click on the Excel icon, and voila! You can start using it directly in your browser. It's a great solution for basic editing, creating formulas, making charts, and even storing your files in the cloud with OneDrive. Plus, you can collaborate with others in real time, which is always a bonus. Just keep in mind that you need to be online to use this version, and it doesn't support macros or some of the more advanced tools you might require. Next, if you're a student or a teacher, you might be eligible to get the full desktop version of Excel for free. Many schools and universities participate in the Office 365 education program, which means you could download Excel without spending anything. To see if you qualify, visit the Microsoft Education website. Here, you'll need to sign up using your school email address. Follow the instructions and wait for the necessary verification. Don't worry if it takes a few days. This is a fantastic option for those in eligible educational settings who need the comprehensive features of the Excel desktop app. Lastly, if you're looking for short-term access to the full suite, consider the 30-day free trial of Microsoft 365. This trial gives you access to download and install the full desktop version of Excel on your PC. Simply go to the official website, sign up, and start your trial. It's perfect for those one-off projects or if you just want to explore Excel's full features before committing. Remember though, you need to cancel before your trial period ends, otherwise you'll incur subscription charges. There you have it. 3 simple ways to use Microsoft Excel for free. Choose the option that best fits your needs and start exploring the power of Excel without putting a dent in your wallet. Thank you for watching. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.